Welcome back, guys. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how to create box elements and how to comment in CSS. So let's get right into it. So the first thing we're going to be doing here, we're going to create a new file because why not? So we're going to name this box. Let's name the box elements.html. Good. So we're going to do the shortcuts. I'm going to rename this quickly. Box elements. Good. So now let's create our box. So we're going to be using div, because that's like one of the major box elements we have, or the major box element that we have. So this is a div. I'm going to add just a simple text. This is a box element. Not really necessary for the text, but let's just do it, the box element. So now the next thing we're going to be doing is styling it. Styling it using our, here I'm going to be using internal CSS. Internal CSS. So we're going to start with style tag. Inside my style tag, we'll put our CSS inside here. So now let's have a selector. I'm going to use class selector. So in class selector, I'm going to name this box. So box, I'm going to come here inside my style tag. So to start using class, I have to do the dots, then the name, the class name, then my curly braces. And let's add CSS properties and value. So let's add width in this case. Let's add width. You could actually use either pixels, percentage, rem, and the rest of them. So let's use height. I'm going to increase this. I feel this is small. 400 pixels. I'm going to make this same 400 pixels. I want them to be the same height and width. So let's add color so we can see what we've done so far. Background color. So I'm going to have background color. Let's do purple. Good. So let's add color to this text. So we're going to use color property to add color to the text. I'm going to make it white. Good. So now we have this. Let's save this and run it to our browsers. Good. So this is what it looks like. This is our box looking very pretty. So this is how to make a box using your HTML tag and your CSS styling. So the next thing we're talking about now is how to comment. What if you want to comment something? You don't want something to display or to reflect on your browser. You want to comment it out. Like, let's say you want to comment this out now using this. You want to comment here. You hold in here out like this. So what you're going to do, / asterisk. That's the opening. Then the ending of where you want to close is going to be asterisk. Good. So this is the opening of the comment and this is the closing of the comment. So if you want the comment to comment everything here, you have to make it from top to bottom. So this is how to comment. This is how to comment. So you actually have a shortcut. If you don't remember this comment, just highlight this and do Control /. If you're using a Mac, just use Command / and you get this commented out. So now that we've commented this out, if you check our browser, the styling is no longer reflecting. You can see that that disappeared. So if you want it to reflect again, we can actually undo this. Or if I want to add a comment, like an actual text for direction or description, I could just add it on top like this. This style is for the box. So anybody that comes here will say, oh, okay, this is what I mean. This style for the box. I could actually add another one and say, okay, end here, end here. So that's basically what and how you can use your comments in your styling. So because I did this way, it's not affecting this content inside here. When we check our browser, our styling is working perfectly well. And this is how to add your comments, and this is how to make your box. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in our next